Hi guys, and welcome to UWrench. Today we're looking at this, which is the ArtiDiag Pro scanner, which has been kindly supplied to us by TOPDON to feature on our YouTube channel. And in this particular video we're going to be doing a full unboxing showing you all of the accessories and everything that's included with this scanner, and also looking at some of the basic functionality as well. Let's do it. So first of all, taking a look over the unit, we can see it comes in a really nice protective case. And inside the box here we have some packets of protective silica gel and also an owner's manual. The ArtiDiag Pro features a 7-inch touchscreen with a 1024 by 600 pixel resolution. And the main unit itself has a nice chunky look and feel to it, complete with rubberized plastic bumpers, making it ideal for a garage environment. Additionally, on the rear of the unit it also has a really useful built-in stand. And on the top of the unit you'll find the power button as well as the charging port and the main cable connection port. And the main cable itself is 15 pins, very similar to a PC VGA cable. And once you have that connected, the standard OBD2 plug attaches onto the end. So let's have a look at what else is included with the ArtiDiag Pro. Firstly, we have a Chrysler 12+8 cable for more modern Chrysler and Dodge vehicles. And additionally, we also have an adapter for BMW vehicles that attaches onto our standard diagnostic cable. And with regards to charging, this comes with a standard USB charger for the US and Canada. And additionally, the ArtiDiag Pro also comes with a second USB charger, specifically for European and UK users. And finally, we have a Mercedes adapter. So in total we have 3 different adapters all included in this set. Each of these would normally sell for around $15 to $20 separately, so it's great to see them included in this kit. So what we have with the ArtiDiag Pro is an excellent little kit that will cover over 70 different makes of vehicles. And this is a fully bi-directional scanner, which comes in really helpful when it comes to tracking down faults in your vehicle. It's also worth noting that the ArtiDiag Pro comes with 2 years of free updates. So the ArtiDiag Pro definitely looks great in the box, but we're looking forward to testing this out in the workshop. So there we have it. That is our basic overview of the ArtiDiag Pro scanner from TOPDON. And we will be filming a second video on this scanner where we're going to connect it up to the car and have a look at all of its various features in more depth. And if you're interested in checking that video out, we will add a link to that video into the video description below. And additionally, if you are interested in buying one of these units, we will be adding some links into the video description below for some of the best deals that are available on Amazon for the ArtiDiag Pro. So if you're interested in this unit, please be sure to support us here at UWrench and be sure to please use our links. So thank you for watching, it's greatly appreciated. Remember, if you want to check out the next video, check out the link in the video description below. We appreciate it, we'll see you again.